Hi everyone. Registering with flowbee.io is very easy. To get started, open your browser and go to https://app.flowbee.io. Click on the register button below. Enter your full name, your contact number, and your email address. Then click on Continue. Now, create your password and confirm it. If you have a referral code, enter it. Tick the checkbox and click on Complete Registration. You will receive an OTP on your email. Then click on Verify and Continue. That's it, your Flowbee account is now created. Next, click on Ready, let's get buzzing. Choose your industry, select your country, and then choose your state. Fill in all the required details correctly. Now, let's connect your account with Meta. Before connecting, make sure you have the following ready: a business website, Facebook page or Instagram profile, a Meta business portfolio, a WhatsApp business account or a new dedicated number. For full access and higher limits, you may also need business documents like trade license, GST, CIN or MSME, a proper business website. To get a display name and higher broadcast limits, business verification may be required. Now let's see how to connect with Meta. Click on Connect to Meta. Make sure you are logged in to the Facebook account that has access to your business portfolio. Click on Continue. Select your business portfolio. Then, choose the setup type. You will see two options: create a new WhatsApp business account or connect an existing WhatsApp account. For now, we will select Create a new WhatsApp API account. Click on Next. Enter your WhatsApp account name. This is not visible to customers. Select your business type. Now you will see two options: use display name only or add a new number. For this demo, we will select use display name only. Meta will provide a free number with some limitations. Click on Next. Then click on Confirm. And finally click on Finish. Now you can choose a plan or continue with the 7-day free trial.